Oh, we've got to.
2-1, remember it?
Oh, I can tell by the face. July.
She also needed to eat.
Eric, what's wrong? Please tell me.
And we don't want you to edit this out.
Yeah. This stays on film.
Huh?
This stays on film. You're not gonna edit this.
My costume on.
Uh-huh.
Why?
I hope that 100 doesn't stay on there. That looks really stupid.
Hi, Pup. It's okay. It's alright.
Hi.
Wet towel on my shoulders because I'm very warm.
Ah.
It's not. I don't normally wear kitchen towel.
Down. No. Down.
Sasha, go out there.
Good job. Good job.
Here, Jeff.
Jump and go, okay. There he goes.
I love it when she runs out like that.
Oh yes, we're in Hawaii. No, take that off, retard. I can put on my camcorder in the viewfinder where we're at. Like I can pick Hawaii or Florida
Oh,
or.
I see.
But
So
now,
so you can ream a picture with a picture?
yeah. Ooh.
Aaron, wanna lift your ski out?
No, I'll leave it there and let it cool off and then I'll look at it.
Girl, stop it.
Shoot. How do you get that off? I want it off.
Stop it.
We walked
Tara's
by there.
scared!
Come on, look at her.
Tara's shaking.
What was that movie you saw? The name of it? Deliverance. Yeah. What was it about?
Why do we go through here?
I'm gonna come